Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Home Assistant with Google Calendar and automation step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have Home Assistant installed and running on your device. Access your Home Assistant dashboard through your web browser. Navigate to the configuration section in the sidebar. Click on Integrations to open the available options for integration. In the top right corner, click on the plus icon to add a new integration. Search for Google Calendar in the search bar. Select the Google Calendar integration from the list that appears. You will be prompted to configure the integration. Click on the Authorize button to connect to your Google account. Sign in with the Google account you wish to use for Home Assistant. Allow the necessary permissions for Home Assistant to access your Google. Once authorized, return to the Home Assistant dashboard. Verify that the integration has been successfully added by checking the list of integrations. Now, navigate back to Configuration and select Automations. Click on the Add Automation button to create a new automation. You can start from scratch by selecting Start with an empty automation. Give your automation a descriptive name, such as Google Calendar Event Notif. Choose the new event starts trigger type. Configure the trigger settings to specify conditions for the automation, like specific event types. Next, add an action by clicking on Add Action. Select the type of action you want, such as sending a notification or turning on a light. Configure the action settings according to your preferences. Review the automation settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. Click on Save to store your new automation. To test the automation, create an event in your Google Calendar. Check if Home Assistant responds according to the automated actions you set up. Make adjustments to the automation as needed for optimal performance. Repeat the process for any additional automations you wish to create with Google Calendar events. Congratulations, you have successfully configured Home Assistant with Google Calendar and set up automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.